Welcome back to the Crypto Market Updates channel. I promised that I would make a recording today of a short video on how to start mining the MEWCoin. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm sitting here in my man cave all by my lonesome in the evening, on a Friday evening, making a video tutorial on how to start mining MEWCoin. Now there are a bunch of tutorials out there on how to start mining different coins. I've seen one on how to start mining MEWCoin, but that particular one uses Hive OS, which is not an easy thing to wrap your head around. I've tried to do it myself, so when I look at it from my perspective, anybody who has a lower understanding of how to start mining will probably not be able to get in on Hive on just yet. It's a bit more tinkering and it requires a bit more understanding of how to set that up. So in this video I'm going to explain to you how to set up how to start mining MEWCoin with only one GPU. Very simple, by downloading the miner and installing it and running it on your computer, on your PC, without having to tinker with any other additional software programs or anything else that is, otherwise required for larger rigs. So if this is something that interests you, then make sure to smash up the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel, of course, and stick around till the very end of this video. I'm going to be going over the details, different ways in which you can start mining, and also I will mention a little bit about the Meow Core wallet, which is kind of essential to have if you are starting to mine MEWCoin. So here we go. So the first thing I want to go over, actually for myself, I stumbled upon MEWCoin by pure accident, quite literally. I used to mine Ravencoin in the past, so maybe the Google algorithm picked up on that. And a while back I stopped mining Ravencoin because I had to update my computer and I lost I think I lost the keys to my Raven wallet. So I have the wallet address and the Raven sitting in there. It isn't much, but I think I lost my keys to the wallet. I thought I had them, but I don't think I do. I gotta double check again, but in any case I lost that. So disappointedly, I was kind of jaded. I didn't want to start mining Raven again, and so I went on Google and I typed in what to mine, and it seems like there are literally two websites that help you with figure out what to mine on the equipment that you have. All the video tutorials make it so easy to do, but literally those videos are made by people who have been mining and doing these things for generations, it seems, and people like myself who are still relatively, I don't want to say new, but I guess relatively new to the mining, to the idea of mining crypto. That's a bit more traumatizing to go through those websites. In any case, I typed in here, when you type in what to mine, you will get what to mine, the official website, and then the second one is Woolly Pulley. I guess there's coins to mine as well, to Crypto Calc. I never looked that far down. This is a mining profit calculator, but in any case, Woolly Pulley is the second one that I found, and that's the one that I went to. When you go to Woolly Pulley, the first thing you get is a list of different graphic cards. You choose the one that you have, and based on that you will receive a recommendation on what to mine. Me personally, I have an AMD RX 580, 8 gigabytes, and so when I was looking for what to mine back then, the MEWCoin was the most profitable thing to mine. As a matter of fact, it's still the most profitable coin to mine right now. So there you have it. It pops up here right at the top. By selecting the GPU that you use, the website gives you recommendations on what to mine. So when I select the RX 580, 8 gigabytes, MEWCoin is the first one that pops up. So I literally stumbled upon MEWCoin by pure accident, and I would like to believe that it was faith. Out of curiosity, I guess if you wanted to go with an NVIDIA, I don't know, what do we go with here? Let's say with 4000 490 Ti, what do we get? Vertcoin is the most one, the first one that pops up, and Ethereum Classic is the second one. So regardless of what card you're using, you know, you want to scroll down to MEWCoin. So find yourself MEWCoin. All the other coins are listed here, and it doesn't matter which card you choose, which card you have. The results that will be given will be kind of in you know, alphabetical order, and they will list, I think it should list all the coins. No, there's no MEWCoin listed. There's RavenCoin listed. Oh, there's MEWCoin. Okay, MEWCoin is listed as well. So you will receive MEWCoin listed, even if it's not the most profitable for that particular card. There are 4 different ways in which you can look for what to mine. There's hash rate, GPU, CPU, and ASICs. If you have a GPU, MEWCoin is mineable, GPU mineable only. It's ASICs resistant. It doesn't use the CPU, and I guess if you want to look at the hash rate, and if you know what the hash rate is, then maybe you're not watching this video. So make sure that GPU is highlighted here at the top so that you can choose your GPU. So right now, Woolly Pulley is the biggest pool, or the pool with the highest hash rate. If you go to mining pool stats and find MEWCoin, you will find that Woolly Pulley pulls in 40 gigahash of the overall hash rate on the Meow network. The overall hash rate is 64, and Woolly Pulley is the first one, so it pops up as the first one in the Google search. The other pool is Coin Miners that I'm going to talk about. Coin Miners is a pool which is involved in the project, and if you join the MEWCoin Discord, you'll be able to talk to people from Coin Miners. Right now they have a promotion going for people who are mining MEWCoin using the Coin Miners pool, and they're giving away 225,000 MEWCoin to I don't know, based on what, 2 winners. I don't know, I guess it's chosen randomly, but you need to be mining for a month. So there's a lot of people who have joined Coin Miners right now. So their fees are a little bit higher, I guess by like 0.1%, which is not a lot. But Woolly Pulley does have a higher hash rate. So, but I mean, the point of you know, being involved in a different in another mining pool is to increase the decentralization of the coin, and that's what basically is happening right now. So it's good to have other pools. Of course, you know, their hash rates are so small that it's the times between blocks is minimal, is much smaller. So you know, so it varies. But anyway, okay, so once you're here, you want to go to connect, or connection rather. You click on connection, and then you choose the connection that you have. I tried to use Asia, but for some reason it wasn't really working for me, and I ended up registering or hooking up with, I think, Germany or something like that. In any case, choose your region wherever you're at. So for me it's Asia, and then select your miner. The miner that I initially chose was NB Miner, and for some reason it kept crashing on me. I don't know why. So I went with Team Red Miner, which works out for me much better. So depending on the algo that you want to use, you know, you will have to follow the directions given to you by the algo. So, but for this purpose, I'm going to use Team Red Miner. So you click on Team Red Miner, and then you have to enter your wallet address. So before you do that, you need to set up your wallet address, and that is best done by going to the Meow Crypto website, and then going to resources here at the top, go to wallets, and then go to MEWCoin Core Wallet. If you already have a MEWCoin wallet, either Vidalum or Beehive. I didn't really like Beehive, to be honest, all that much. It was a bit sluggish. Vidalum was okay, but MEWCoin Core Wallet is the one that I prefer. Get yourself the MEWCoin Core Wallet, download it in either Windows or Linux, set it up, get an address, and then plug that address in here. So that's where my address is here. And then you enter your worker name, whatever worker, that's the worker name that's going to appear in your, that's the worker name that's going to appear in your BAT file. And so for me, that's crypto market updates. You can call it, you know, stinky hamburger pants or whatever you want. And that generates here, it creates a BAT file. This BAT file, you can download directly here. You can copy and paste it into a BAT file, or into Note, for example, and then just save it as, you know, .bat, or simply download it. You can copy or download it. When you press download, the download button, it'll download the BAT file ready to be consumed by you. It's right here. So and that's going to be the BAT file that's with your address and with your miner name inside, and the address to connect you to the pool of your selected region. So everything is done here on Wooly Pooly. It's so very easy to set up. Then the last step is you need to download and unpack the miner itself. So what you need to do is go to GitHub, follow the link, and scroll down here, the assets, and you want to download the latest miner, which is Team Red Miner version 0.10.14 WinZip. That's the one you want to download. Make sure to select the folder where you want the file downloaded. So I call it crypto, or call it whatever you want. You will receive a file that is zipped. You need to unzip it, and that's going to be your file. And then you also will need to take the BAT file for MEWCoin, in which you have downloaded earlier, and you've added your pool name and your worker name, your wallet address and your worker name, and you need to find the location of that BAT file and then copy and paste it inside the Team Red Miner folder. It's easy to find because it's going to be the one with that says MEWC _ PPLNS _ coin miner. Actually, it wouldn't say coin miners, it would say Wooly Pooly. I changed it to coin miners, renamed it because I used to mine on Wooly Pooly, but based on the whole idea of, you know, redistribution of decentralization and the rewards that are going on in November, I decided to join coin miners, so I just renamed the file, but the content of it is essentially the same. So you will need to copy and paste that file in here, and since it's all ready to everything set up, all you need to do is double click that and it's ready to go, and then the directions are given there for you. So that's Wooly Pooly. Now, the second option that I've been mentioning is coin miners. You can go to coin miners simply by typing in coinminers.com, and you will get to the dashboard here. At the dashboard, you can go to pools and find yourself MEWCoin, which is right here. MEWCoin uses the Cowpow algo for mining. And then you need to scroll down to and also make sure that you are pool mining in a pool, not solo, unless you have the rigs and you have the capacity to do solo mining, of course. And then again, you choose the location in which you are located, the place in which you're located. You've got Europe, USA, is that India and I guess Malaysia or Asia. Anyway, you choose one of those stratums. Look at that, another block. Wow, that block just came in. And then you will need full stratum, so you will simply copy that and it copies it automatically. Then you would go to your file. This is on Windows 11, so you right click it, you go to show more options, and then you go to edit, and your little file pops up. Team Red Miner exe Cowpow logo algo, and then the stratum that you want to change comes right after here, URL. This is the stratum, and it changes to coin miners. So this is the stratum you would change right here. You would copy and paste it right in here. If you were mining on Woolly Pulley initially, then obviously this would be directed at Woolly Pulley. If you want to change to coin miners or any other pool, then you would do the same thing and basically just change this address here. And that essentially is it. That concludes this tutorial. This is just a very simple setup for an easy and quick mining on a GPU. If you've never done GPU mining, then this is the way to do it. If you are a seasoned miner and you've got a whole rig or several of them, then obviously you're not watching this video, and you probably would want to set up with Hive on, which is what I'm going to do next. Not in this video, but I do have all my 8 GPUs are here, and I've got all the stuff to build a mining rig, which I'm going to make videos on, and to basically go over how I build my first mining rig. Actually, second one. First one was on Hycon, which was way back, and I had no idea what I was doing, and there was only one GPU. So essentially, I built a second computer to run on one GPU, and I was mining a Hycoin on that. But this time around, it's 8 GPUs that I'm going to be putting together. And I will go over the details of how much it cost me to build, which was actually very surprisingly cheap, I think. How much it cost me to build it, and well, we'll see if it works out. So yeah, and then once it's done, you got yourself miner running. In coin miners, you can go to my wallets, and MEWCoin wouldn't be here. You would have to add a wallet and choose the wallet that you want to add, and in my wallet, and you get all the stats of all the miners that are running right now. I have 2 workers mining, so there you go. The payouts are every 4 hours, it seems. 4:24, 7:24, 12:24. My miners died actually in the morning, so they weren't on. 5:24, so every 4 to 5 hours if you are mining consecutively without interruptions. Now, to make one more note on MEWCoin Core, it's very easy to set up. If you're not sure, I think you could simply find Raven Core wallet setup, and it will go through the same steps because the setup is exactly the same. The wallet is exactly the same. When you look at the Raven wallet and the MEWCoin wallet, they're identical with the exception that they're named something different, and they have different logos. Obviously, MEWCoin wallet has the Calico cat on it versus the Raven, so no problems there. Yeah, actually I found a pretty decent video on how to set up your Raven wallet. Crypto Jar, how to install Raven Coin wallet 2021. It was just released, and it's exactly the same as MEWCoin. So if you're in a pinch, if you're not sure how to do it, then follow these instructions. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope this was educational and informational, and I hope that got you psyched up on getting in on the action with MEWCoin and mining it. And I hope that you come back to revisit me, and stick around for for the adventure that's going to follow with me building the mining rig, which is going to be an interesting thing. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, smash up the likes, and of course come back for more updates from the Crypto Market Updates channel and me, your crypto father. See you laters.